Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this little series we are about to do today. We are doing another 30-day challenge, and I know how much you guys loved the last one I did, and I am definitely desperately needing this challenge. This challenge is going to be a bit different. We are going to be taking the next 30 days to stick to a morning and evening routine and holding ourselves accountable to really start getting focused on our goals and be more productive during our weeks. So I'm super excited to see y'all in a bit. 30 minutes later, but I'm going to be waking up at 6 a.m. 6 to 6:30. I'm gonna have my little morning routine and then I'm gonna head to the gym for 40 minutes. I'm just looking to slow down. I have stuff for me to connect with myself in the morning, like meditating. I have some fun stuff that I'm gonna do so I can actually be excited to wake up at 6 a.m. And I have my night routine set up as well, where I'm gonna read and really just help relax my mind to help me go to sleep faster and get that quality sleep. I'm excited. Here's to our new challenge.
"2,000 years later."
Good morning. It is 6:33 a.m. I actually am feeling very energized, surprisingly, for the first day, waking up at 6 a.m. when I usually wake up at like 1 or 2 p.m. So this is progress. I went to sleep early last night, so that was very helpful. Yeah, I'm ready to start the day. I'm about to get ready, put on my gym clothes, and then we're gonna start our morning routine. I am awake now. I am super awake. Yo, some ice cold lemon water in the morning. It's finna do its thing every single time. We have completed our first Duolingo lesson. I am learning Italian. I'm manifesting that I'm going to be going to Italy very, very soon. Don't ask me when. It's just going to happen. But we completed our morning. The sun is coming up. It is just such a vibe right now, and I just feel so alive, so energized, so much peace and joy just being out here. We are about to head to the gym. I'm super proud of us today, y'all. We did that. Alright, it is day 2. It is 6:20. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I am super tired. And I literally almost stayed in bed, but let's do this, y'all. Boo! It's so dark out here. Literally, water in the morning is a must, just because when we're sleeping for those 7 to 8 hours, our body is parched. So as soon as you wake up, you may not feel like you're thirsty, but your body is dehydrated. And as soon as you sip the ice cold water, you're gonna thank me. Apple day. Keep the doctors away. I love Duolingo because look, it literally already sent me a notification because I set up like a habit for 5 minutes every single day to practice my Italian. It's just a fun activity that I added in my morning that just makes it fun to be up this early. I feel so much more alive right now just being outside. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna be an Italian master. Who is she? All right, but look at this sky, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Y'all, we are back with the overnight oats. I stopped making these for a while just because I literally just, oh my god, my dog. I literally just stopped being consistent with it, and it became like a lot harder to actually start doing it. It's crazy how just exercising for 20 minutes completely shifted my mood, as if I just slept like 9-10 hours. And just being outside and all the other healthy habits that I'm doing in the morning, it just really sets up your tone for the day. I'm feeling great. I'm loving it. It's only day 2 of the challenge, but I'm staying positive. All right, friends, it is water time because my eyes still feel very, very tired. So hopefully this will do me right. I have also started to ice my face just because the cold literally wakes your girl up in a freaking second. And it also helps with depuffing, and it's just good for your skin overall. And she will me up. It is time, friends, to learn some Italian. I am.
And a half hours later.
Alright guys, so I am getting my clothes ready. Yes, I have a strawberry popsicle because why not? I like to prep my workout clothes and leave it ready, and also my work clothes, just so I can limit the decisions I have to make in the morning, and I don't have to fight myself to go to the gym in the morning. So that has really helped me to set my tone for the day. And yeah, and then we're gonna go to bed, read a little bit before, just because it helps me with my sleep. Fun. I'm about to read a little bit for 10 minutes, and I am also going to journal. I got this new journal, look, under my bonnet and eye mask. I got this book at the dollar store. It's super cute. I love it because I already finished my other 2 journals. Y'all know we gotta journal, all right? We gotta get these thoughts out of our head. My therapist helped me realize that it's not necessarily about how much quantity you get in your sleep, but it's actually about getting quality sleep. And the way that we get quality sleep is by resting our mind before we're going to bed and just slowly shutting it off for a good night's rest. And what helps me do that is reading and journaling, because usually when I go to sleep and I close my eyes, all of the thoughts of how my day went, what I could have done better and what I didn't get done, what I have to do tomorrow, all my worries, they all start talking at the same time. And it's very hard for me to go to sleep. So if y'all can relate to that, let me know down in the comments, because it's a tough time out here. I also like to read because it also eases my mind and helps me get tired. It also prevents me from scrolling on social media, because scrolling on social media actually exhausts our mind just because of the blue light and a whole other bunch of scientific stuff. So quality over quantity. We got a good 1.5 pages, y'all. I got everything that I had in my mind down. I just feel so good right now, you guys. Alright guys, so I'm setting my alarm for tomorrow. We're getting up at 6:10. I hope so. It's bonnet time. Bonnet time. Bonnet time. I feel like a mushroom when I put this on. OMG, not my edges. It's cute or whatever. Highly recommend a pair of, what is this called? I was gonna say eye patch. Eye mask. Yes, because this really helps block out any exterior light, which improves your quality of sleep. And literally, the day I started using this, which was like a month ago, I sleep all night and I wake up, I don't feel groggy. On a scale from 1 to 10, usually I wake up at like a 3, but now I'm feeling like a 6. Small wins, y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow. Disregard my hair because it ain't doing it right now. I'm feeling clean. The house smells so good right now, and I feel so at peace internally. Naturally, as people, we stress when there is disorganization. We don't want to be productive. We tend to feel lazy, but right now I am feeling good going into the week. I feel refreshed. I will catch y'all tomorrow.
Oh my, what a one.